And so when we're connecting with the body, we're looking at all of the parts that we have felt disconnected from. That could be physical parts of our body. That could be parts of ourselves, different feelings. You know, pain is a big thing that we often disconnect with. And it's like, I went through this. I didn't want to feel the pain because I already felt so much. So why would I intentionally connect with and feel more? Like, why even do that? What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it just goes back into, in a way, acceptance. When there is no connection happening, we are in a way telling the body it's still dangerous. And when we are giving the body the signal, the body thinks, okay, then I have to brace or tense up even more because it's not safe. So if there is no connection happening, there will be no response for the body to start to relax and seeing now, okay, this danger is over and now I can just come back to natural restoration and relaxation. So we need this connection to giving the body the signal. It's okay, we have been through, I will be here, and now we can just calm down and letting go of this tension. If there is no connection, there will be no relaxation.
So this is a useful way to think about how we can start to release muscle tension and actually develop relaxation. We're stepping into the unknown. If you've been tense for a while, you may not even know what relaxation feels like. That may feel vulnerable in the way that a soldier may put down his shield and take off their armor. It is a disarming process. It is a de-armoring process. All of the tension could be representative of self-protective body armor that we've accumulated over time. That is vulnerable, and all sorts of things can come to the surface to be released. All of the things in between you and being at peace with yourself, at peace within your body. Now, if you want that, then let's look at how we can start to cultivate it. Some practices that involve awareness, that involve acceptance, and involve connecting with your body.